How to fix Yahoo search redirect issue on Mac. To fix Yahoo search redirect issue on Mac, try 1. Remove all unknown apps from your Mac. Note, the removal process may require your Mac OS password. If the manual uninstall option did not work, try using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Check then remove all unknown browser extensions from your Safari and Google Chrome browser. For Safari users, refer to the IMG below to get the job done. And for Chrome fans, use this one. Moreover, 1. Back up your personal data, from saved passwords to bookmarks, then reset your Chrome app to launch the cleanup computer in your Chrome. 3. Run the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. To avoid Yahoo search redirect issue, learn how to stop pubs at bay.